Leslie asked me if I was looking forward to Christmas. Now, we don't really know each other, so I said, yes, absolutely, I can't wait. I lied. I can't stand it. It's not that I don't like Christmas as a concept, because as a concept it's actually really nice. It's just the reality I can't stand. For instance, last year my mother was drunk before breakfast. My sister Elle spent lunch with her tongue in her boyfriend's mouth, and trust me, when I say Brussels sprouts and French kissing don't go, I mean it. My son was so depressed he couldn't even lift his head off the bloody dining room table in the absence of his girlfriend, who was dragged to Spain for the holidays by her mother, who's dating a 25-year-old matador, I kid you not. And then his father proceeded to bring his new wife, who happened to be a celiac. So I spent the day cooking, cleaning, picking my mother off the floor, preventing my sister Elle from having sex on the dining room table, attempting to cheer up a lovesick teenager, and making nice with a woman who refused to eat anything green, and who burst into tears when my mother called her a whore. Even though we warned her about Rose and told her not to take anything that woman said on board. But she bawled and cried, and I ended up having to dry the dishes anyway, and cancelling her on to why her daddy didn't love her. So that was one of my better years. So, Leslie, ask me again. Fuck. I'm not looking forward to Christmas.